On this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your Steam profile name. Now, the official account name, you cannot change it, never on Steam. But your profile name, that is the name that all your friends and everybody can see when you're playing with them, is the name that you can change, and I'm going to show you how to do it really fast. For that, you want to have Steam open, and you want to click on the right side where you see Manage My Account. Right here, you can select into View My Profile, click on it. Now you're going to be in your profile site, and from there you want to click on the right side where you see Edit Profile. In here you can change your profile name to whatever name that you want. For example, Enrique Caltech, let's add YT for YouTube. You can add your real name, you can have a custom URL, and anything option else that you want to change, and you want to click into Save. And as you can see, my profile name have already changed. And that is pretty much it on this tutorial, guys. It's really fast and easy thing to do. So guys, if you enjoy it, don't forget to drop a like into the video, to subscribe to the channel for more content like this one. See you guys on the next time. Bye bye.